How to make Discord not show what game you are playing. First of all, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device. Tap on your profile icon on the bottom left corner of your screen, then tap on the setting gear icon on the top right corner, then head to the privacy and security option, which you should be able to find this over here. It is also renamed as a data and privacy in some versions. From here, you will find this another option called use data to personalize my Discord option. What you can do is simply disable this function. And what this does is your personalized recommendation and suggestions won't be shown to you, and your gaming informations, game that you play, won't be shown to others. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.